Welcome to Student Code Camp. So here are the step-by-step explanation like how to install MySQL Server as well as the Workbench. So let's start. So the first step is we have to download the MySQL Community Edition. Like for that we have to go to the MySQL Community Edition website. So this is the website. So here like we can see 9.3.0. So it is not the preferred one because it is released just now. It may have the bugs. That is the reason we are not going for this. We are going for 8.0.42. okay. So if you want any other version like any of these three, you can do the same things. Okay, so let's start the select operating system. So whichever operating system you want, you can select it from here. So I'm selecting Mac OS. Then select OS version here. So if you have a Intel or Apple Silicon, based on that you have to select. If it is Apple Silicon, then you have to select ARM. Okay, I am selecting this. Then you have to click on this button. Once you click there, you see this. So here there is a login option is there and sign up option is there. If you have the account login, then if it is not there, then sign up. Or else if you just want to download, then you can click here. Just start my download. As soon as you click, it will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded it. So we can see this. So after download, what we have to do? We did this and we clicked on the DMG archive, then this. So step 1 is done. So coming to the step 2 now, what we have to do? Open the DMG file, then run the .pkg installer, then install this. Okay, startup items. Then after install, you will see the screen with temporary password. So let's do that now. So let's go to folder here. So double click on this. As soon as you double click, you see this .pkg file. So here also what you have to do? You have to double click here also. Once you double click, you get this window. This package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Okay, so allow. Then you have to click here for the continue. Okay, then again continue. 2 times continue and then agree you have to do. Why? To continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Click agree to continue, or else if you don't agree, then disagree, then the software will not be installed. So click on the agree. As soon as you click, you can see one more continue here. Then if you want to change the location, you can do that, or else click on the install. Then it asks for the password. I entered the password. So you can see this one. It is the installation was completed successfully. You have 2 options here: go back or close. Just close it. And you want to keep that, or else you can go to bin. So we did this. Okay, so now what we have to do is enable MySQL from system settings. Okay, if it was the first time, then the password would ask. At that time you have to enter the password, or else not. So I had already done it earlier, that is the reason it did not ask me. So now we'll go for this system settings, then MySQL, then start MySQL. That automatically it start MySQL on startup. So what you have to do? Command plus space. Just type system settings, then enter. You can see this, enter here. What you have to do is you have to come down. So you can see this, click on here. Then if you want, start MySQL when computer starts up. Every time in the backend it will be started. That is the reason uncheck this. For that you have to again enter the password, or now start MySQL server. Okay, so you can see sometimes it happens. It is a new version, that is the reason it happens sometimes. So what is the other way to start? Let's go for the other way. You have to run this command. Okay, terminal, run the command. You see this. The next step is, if you don't see something like this, then only we have to enter this command. If you see it is fine, or else do that. I don't see here, that is the reason I'm entering step number 2. Start. Password it is asking. So password I am giving. If I give the system password, let's see what happens. You can see it works. So it is started. Let's go to system setting. You can see here it is started. It was in red color, now it is green color. Sometimes if you face that, you can follow that in the terminal, or else you can start it from here easily. So next what we have to do, now we have to go to, we have to install the MySQL Workbench. For that we have to go to this particular page, and here you can select the operating system whichever you want, then select OS version. So mine is ARM. If it is Apple Silicon, select this, or else Intel, and go for that. You can see DMG archive. So you have to click here, download. Then again the same things, login, sign up, then you just start here. I have already downloaded, so I will not be downloading once again. So you can see this. So double click here, drag here like this. You can see it is copying. Okay, once you do that step, you can see here launchpad. Click on the launchpad, then MySQL Workbench. Click this. You can see MySQL Workbench is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on the open. It is opened. Okay, like this you have to start this MySQL Workbench. Now if you want to create the connection, new connection, it is this way windows come. In this page, connection name, whatever you want to do, you do it. Test. Okay, then here password is there. Whatever the password you had given at that time, you enter that password. Then okay, then test connection. Connection warning it is telling. So incompatible non-standard server version, that is 9.3.0. That is the reason it is giving this warning message. So continue anyway. Okay, test connection. You can see one more time, connection is successful. Okay, then okay here. You can see this. Double click on this. From here you can start exploring. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel. If you want to share with your friends, then you can share, like. See you next video. Thank you.